Hi, this is Srikanth from CADiMate plus 4 and by, and in this video we'll be solving a JNTU paper. The paper that we'll be taking this time, this is a paper given for EEE, ECE and EIE, and a paper which appeared in May-June 2017. You can pause it to view at different parts and just scrolling it down at the faster pace. Okay, the next question is talking about a pentagonal pyramid of 30 mm side, height 45, standing with its base of an edge, stands on its base with an edge of base parallel to VP. Okay, that's a pentagonal pyramid. So this is a section of problem probably. We'll have to draw the XY line. We'll have to take a pentagon. Pentagon. So one of the sides is parallel to XY, so we'll have to keep that as parallel. Base sides is 30. Okay, so it's a pyramid. Because it's a pyramid, we'll have to find its center point. Okay, this is the center of that. Okay, so the top view of the pentagon is clear. Now next we'll have to project this to get its top. Fine. So the height of the pyramid has been given as 45. Okay, small one. Okay, this side will be visible, these two will be hidden. Okay, let's make these two as hidden, and the remainder all visible. Fine. Next up, fine. Stand with base with an edge parallel to VP. A section plane making 45 degrees with HP cuts the pyramid 15 mm from apex. Okay, it's 45 degrees with HP. So now to draw an angle of 45 degrees with HP. And okay, from apex it is below apex. And below. Fine. This is the point. So above this line, whatever it is, goes on. It goes away. Okay. So the upper part goes away. Fine. This is the part we need. Okay, this is the section plane and this is cutting it. Next we'll have to draw vertical lines to the correct appropriate edges. From here again it comes down. The hidden edge comes to here, again a hidden edge. Well, this one should come up to here. And finally for this last one, we'll have to draw a line like this, and there, let's take it here, and we'll have to draw a circle. Back to here. Fine. Okay, so we are ready. So we have to just draw. Fine. Okay, so this is how we have to do it. So we have to do hatching. Fine. Let's see. Fine. So this is what we need. Fine. So this is the sectional top view. This is the front view. What is it asking? Droid's top view and front view. Okay. There's nothing else we can do. So this is the completed diagram we need. Fine. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. These are our sponsors, Onshape College of Engineering and Srikanth Institute. You can find us on internet using these links. We have a WordPress blog at srikanth.wordpress.com. You can visit our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/srikanth, or you can also find our apps on Google Play Store by tapping this shortcut bit.ly/sriapk. You can contact us using our Gmail ID srikanth@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp us on our number 810-6464-676. You can also join our WhatsApp group by tapping this shortcut in your browser bit.ly/4bmate. So thank you for watching our videos. Keep subscribe to our videos for keeping up to date with all our future updates or our future uploads. Thank you.